Ehler from Hartwig Incorporated. I'd like to speak to you a little bit today about the new Okuma LB3000. If you're in the business of part making, close tolerances, good finishes, this could be a machine for you. This particular machine outfitted the way it is, live tooling, Y-axis. The Y-axis is a slide on a slide. Very robust, very stable, the box away. That allows you to get off center, do that type of work. The live tooling, all the bolt-on heads here, almost 10 horsepower. The big bore spindle, heavy cuts, smooth finishes. You get great looking surfaces, long tool life. Sits on a one-piece construction bed. The machine is built for rigidity, it's very robust, and then combine that with the new PC base control, the OSP 2000. It is a machine that you can make money with. Thank you.